Yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. Just a quick update of our tomatoes. If you can remember, there was a black frost that hit many parts of the country sometimes last week, and our tomatoes were not spared. As you can see, they were not spared at all. And it's not only these tomatoes, also the what we call the potatoes also. But at least I still have the fruits. The fruits were not affected. It was only the leaves that got affected. So yeah, we've been selling these guys for about 2 to 3 months now. They were planted around February, and then around May we started selling them. So for the rest for May and June and then July we still selling them. I think it was a good seed. Given a chance, I'm going to plant this seed again. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of the seeds because this I did not grow myself. I bought them at town. There are some guys who are selling seedlings there, and then I bought this from them. And then when I asked them what the name of these seeds, they just told me that this is a crafted tomato. So unfortunately I cannot tell you the name of the seeds, but yeah, I think if they are still selling this, I'm going to buy again from them, and then I'm coming to plant again. Yeah, so what is going to happen now, I think I'm going to take out this shade nets. I'm going to take out this shade nets from this, and then afterwards I'm going to water as I normally do, and then after that I think I'm going to apply fertilizer. I've got nitrogen liquid fertilizer that I will apply, and then I'll see what happens. I just hope that the frost that we had last week was the last for this year, because then, as you can see, all is not lost. Yeah, all is not lost. And then I'm hoping that this will regrow again, but if not, like I said, I'm going to buy another one. So yeah, this was just a quick update, guys, to show you that we were also not spared off by that black frost that hit last week. Yeah, and I think the worst part is that when it came, these were not watered. The last time they survived, the last time they were not this much heat because I had watered them. So this time they were not watered, and then maybe that is why, yeah, maybe that is why they hit. Yeah, this one here, as you can see, this one, yeah, this one, no, this one is kaput. So yeah, thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.